Okay, class 4. So it's your activity class, and today we will do reading. Okay, English reading. And the chapter is not from your book. I'm sharing a page with you, so you have to read with this page. Okay. Nishta.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishta, sharing page is readable or not? You can read. It is readable.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आप देख पा रहे हो? Clear है page?
Yes, ma'am. I'm clear है.
Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, Nishta. So we will start from you now. Okay. So let's start from the first paragraph. And please focus on the screen, everyone. The chapter name, the topic name is Not Such a Bad Thing After All. Okay, so it's your chapter. So it's your reading class. So be ready now. Okay, let's start now. Nishta, now start reading, beta. Yes, Nishta.
Can you tell me? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, not such a bad thing after all. Ma'am, chapter name.
Yes.
Something. Warm up. How did people learn to read and write in the early years?
Early years. Early. It's yearly or early years. Okay. Yes.
Discuss with your parent and
Partner.
share.
It's partner, Nishta. It's partner.
Partner and share with the class. Something new had come to the village of Indore.
Indora. Indora.
Indora. The pupils
Set
in front of
front. It's front. The people sat in front of Totaram's
Totaram house and chatted about it until the moon rose and touched the tips of the bamboo
branches. Bamboo branches.
Branches with silver.
Very good.
Totaram and his friend Bala, who should have gone to bed, crept behind the circle of grown-up pupils and listened.
Okay, Nishta, beta, very good. Now turn off your mic, Nishta.
Thank you,
okay,
ma'am.
Chinu, now be ready. Yes, Chinu.
Yes, ma'am.
Read from the next paragraph. They heard, second paragraph. This one, they heard.
A city and she was going to start a school in the village that day she had gone from house to house asking the village people to send their children to school. Totaram was afraid to this strange place called school. Then he heard his father say, I need my son in the fields. Totaram felt relieved.
Okay, now wait, Chinu. Okay, Chinu, turn off your mic now. Yes, Karthik. Yes, Karthik. Beta, this paragraph. The next morning, the village
just with the big dun and Sibyl rode off Vendora.
Just wait a minute. What are you doing? It's not C1, it's 7. Not L, all. Not Dan, down. Drum, big. So what are you doing? Read properly.
Lots of birds calling out
Dora.
to
Words को skip मत करिए. Don't skip the words. Indora.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next. Calling.
Calling out to the people, he told that
Them. He told them.
them that the school had opened. I am Totram.
Totram, not Totram. It's Totaram, not Totram.
Totaram fetched the other boys and girl go into the news house just
New house.
outside the village.
Yeah. He wished.
Resist the she cannot wait is
Knew.
it was all about later in
Just
the
wait करते. It's wished. Wished. New नहीं लिखा, new लिखा है. It's new. He knew what it was
he
all
cannot
about.
that is
Yes. Now next
about-
paragraph. Next paragraph start करिए. Yes. Karthik, start the next paragraph now. Do fast. Okay, Karthik, now turn off your mic. Wait. Shambhavi, where are you? Yes, Shambhavi, now start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shambhavi, now start the next paragraph. Later in the day.
Later in the day, when he want to take the cattle into the
Fields. Yes. I think, beta, there is some network issue.
he looked through the walls of the schoolhouse. The walls were made of bamboo sticks, loosely woven together and through the holes.
Okay, now wait, Shambhavi. बेटा, it's not where. मैं हमेशा एक ही word बताती हूँ. It's not where. It's were. इसको where नहीं कहा जाता है. इसको were कहा जाता है. It's where. ये क्या है? Where. And it is were. इसको आप were कहेंगे. इसको आप where कहेंगे. Okay. Please focus on these words. Where and were. Okay. Now Shambhavi, turn off your mic. Vanshika Raj. Vanshika Raj, turn on your mic now. Vanshika, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Vanshika, now start reading.
Inside he saw
Not say, it saw. He saw
a STRANG string.
yes, sight.
Size the boy and girls he
Knew. Were. Not where, it's were.
were SITTING
Sitting.
on the
Yes, FLOOR.
floor
Floor, yes.
in
Rows.
ROWS rows, and the teacher
Was.
was making funny
Marks.
marks on big BLACK blackboard
With
WITH with a small white
stick.
stick. T Totaram
Sa.
Sa BALA
Bala.
Bala and MD made FACES face
Faces.
at him, but Bala was INTERESTED
Interested.
interested in the
Marks.
marks and did not see
Him.
him school.
Okay, Vanshika, now wait. Vanshika Raj. Please, beta, focus on your reading at your home. Please focus on your reading. Okay? Okay. Karan Singh, turn on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Karan, start from the next paragraph. Karan, just start. School.
At
Beta, school. From
school,
school.
thought Totaram must be better than staying at home or watching the cows, or Bala would not like it so much. So one day, when his mother was busy, he slipped away and crept into the schoolroom.
Very good. Next
At
paragraph.
first, he did not understand anything at all. The other children were ahead of him, and even Bala could write his own name in big letters. It made Totaram ashamed that the others were so much wiser
Then.
than he and he worked hard to catch up with them. The next day he went again, and
Beta,
the
now
next
wait.
day
Wait, beta. Wait. Viraj Gupta, turn on your mic. Viraj, turn on your
Yes,
mic.
ma'am.
Yes, Viraj. Now
Yes,
start from
ma'am.
this line. Start from this line. The next day.
The next day,
Beta, the chapter
he
is not
went-
from your book. Viraj, start reading now.
ma'am, the next day he went again, and the next day, and the next. His mother thought that he was out with the cow in the field as usual, and the asked no question. His father was always to work at this time. After several months, he could read and write a little. It took him a long time to learn to write his language because the alphabet had nearly 50 letters. The teacher often
Often, not often. It's often. इसको often कहा जाता है बेटा. Not often. Often. T silent होगा.
often called Totaram, later the track of bird.
And
नीचे जाओ, of bird, and made him do them over and over again. But slowly he began to learn.
okay,
One
Viraj.
day
Viraj,
after-
now wait. Okay, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic now. Ananya.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Viraj. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya. Start reading now.
मैम
And just-
मैम बुक का पंजरा पेज बता देना मैम.
Ananya.
Now he found his mother turning a letter over and over in her hand. It had come from her sister in another village. The man who read and wrote all Turam
Before
thought
Totaram,
of what he was doing. He said, "Give me you letter,
your
mother,
letter, not
and
you letter, Ananya. Ananya, beta, give me your letter, not you letter. Give me your letter.
give me your letter, mother, and he'll try to read it to you." His mother was surprised. Science, when have you learned to read? She appeared Turam stood first on one foot and then
Okay,
on
okay, Ananya, now wait, beta. Okay, now turn off your mic, Ananya. Very good. Okay, just wait. Aman Ansari. Aman, turn on your mic now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aman, start from this paragraph. Totaram stood.
Totaram stood first on one foot and then on the other foot. Then he
Stood.
stood on
Both.
both
It's both.
Both.
Both means this बेटा both means दोनों. ठीक है तो both लिखा है. Both means दोनों.
both feet and looked
Looked.
this looked
Hmm?
looked this
Way. Way.
way and that for he
So.
so that he must tell the
Truth.
truth
Truth. Yes.
truth. At last he looked into her eyes and
Mumbled.
mumbled I we
बेटा listen अमान
Have.
अमान एक सेकेंड इसको have बोलते हैं I have ये यूज हो रहा है ना I apostrophe be it's a have I have been
I've been going every day to the school.
and yes very good
While
while
you throw, I was out with the cows. I have been listening,
learning
learning how to read and write.
okay Aman please turn off your mic Aman okay
Thank you.
your effort is good Aman okay but कुछ words पे focus करिए Aman ठीक है बेटा ये thought था ठीक है it is thought और जो वर्ड को एक बार मैम बताते हैं आप रीड करते हो ना उन वर्ड्स को रिमेम्बर रखिए कि मैम ने उस वर्ड का क्या प्रोनाउंस किया था कैसे उस वर्ड को प्रोनाउंस किया था ठीक है तो आज मैंने आपको बताया कि इसको आई बी ई को क्या बोलते हैं हैव बोलते हैं आई अपोस्ट्रोफ बी ई सो आई हैव ओके इसको थॉट बोलते हैं इसको लुकेड नहीं होता है लुक्ड होता है लुक्ड ठीक है नॉट लुकेड इट्स लुक्ड ओके सो फोकस ऑन योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन एवरीवन mumbled so there are some words you have to focus on ठीक है कुछ words पे focus करिए सिर्फ okay very good Aman okay next is Naveen now please turn on your mic beta
Yes, ma'am.
okay Naveen okay now next page Naveen start from the next page
his mother
inquired
and
what
did the cows do? And he said, we took turns and while help of
listen. Wait. Half, not half. It's half. Half means आधा. आप कहते हैं ना half कि मुझे half चाहिए, तो it is half, not half. Okay? HALF. तो बेटा इसमें L जो है वो क्या है? ये L साइलेंट है. तो आप इसका साउंड कैसे आ रहा है? इसका साउंड ऐसे आएगा. अगर L हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे इसका तो क्या आएगा? हाफ. तो इसको आप हाफ पढ़ते हो. हाफ. ओके चलिए.
half of us went to school, the others
Watched.
watched the cows, then we watched the cow while the others took their turn at school.
Yes.
His mother said
Sad. Sadly.
we
Have. Listen now.
You
Listen, beta. Wait. U apostrophe VE. U apostrophe VE. इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? You have. इसका full
You
form है. You have हम ऐसे लिखते हैं ना. So it is the short form of. It is the short form of you have. You have के लिए short form है ये. ठीक है? You have पढ़ोगे आप इसे.
You have become a great sorrow to us, and your father will be very angry.
Angry. Very good.
Don't
Not don't. It's don't.
worry,
Don't worry.
mother. I am
sure.
father will understand. Said total.
Tota.
He
Said tota. Wait. Now wait. Okay. Beta, please turn off your mic now. Okay. Pallavi, now it's your turn. Pallavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pallavi. Now start from this paragraph. He took the letter.
Don't worry, mother. I am sure father will understand, said Tota.
Yes.
He took the letter from her and began to read. And as he read, she wondered more and more about this she through for years. The letters writer has written and read my letters for me. Her my own son sits like a
Scholar. Yes.
scholar and reads to his mother the times and
Times are strange. Okay.
time
Okay.
as
Next paragraph. Read the next paragraph now. She was
pleased with the news in the letter. It said her sister had a new son, so she did not tell Totaram's father that the boy had
yes
dis-
disobeyed.
dis-
Disobeyed.
him
Yes.
and had gone to school.
Very
Some
good,
days
beta. Wait
later,
now. Okay, now wait. Very good. And please turn off your mic now. Okay, Karan Singh. Karan, turn on your mic now, beta.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, the Karan. Now read the next paragraph. Some days later. Wait a minute. Karan, just wait a minute. Yes. Now turn on your mic, Karan. Yes.
Some days later, Totaram realized that his
Realized.
father
What
was
me released, beta? Wait.
trouble.
एक सेकेंड वेट करिए. ये रिलीज नहीं है, रियलाइज्ड है. क्या लिखा है? रियलाइज्ड. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Some days later, Totaram realized that his father was in trouble. He knew it because his father sat silent and still for many hours. Totaram's little sister Jay knew it too. When she ran to show him how her brass plate shone in the sunlight after she had polished it with ashes, he said, "Run away, child."
Okay, child, not child. It's child. Child
Child.
means बच्चा. ठीक है बेटा. Okay बेटा. Very good. Very nice, Karan. You are reading fluently. Very good. Okay, now turn off your mic, Karan. Okay, so Aradhya Sani. Aradhya. Okay, Aradhya. Next paragraph, Aradhya.
Totaram remembered that he had seen a strange man talking to his father. Totaram did not like the look of him. He called Jay and then went over together.
Beta went out together.
Went out together. They stopped near the big banyan tree to
Banyan
talk.
tree. It's banyan tree. Banyan.
Banyan tree to talk about it. The banyan tree provided a
Shaded.
place and people like to gather below it. The villagers said that the tree was 100 years old. It had roots which grew out of its branches and hung
Down.
until the nearly touches the ground. These roots were so as ropes. The children began to swing on them and forgot to talk about their father troubles.
Okay, Aradhya. Very nice. Very well done, Aradhya. Alia Praveen. Alia. Yes, Alia. Beta, now start reading from this paragraph. As they were swinging.
As they were singing, Jay
Whispered.
whispered her our mother and the strange man get inside. They climbed up the roots and lay hiding on the flat branches above. The two men came to the tree and sat down. Under it, the man held a piece of paper in his hand. He said, "All that you have to do is to make some mark here. If you cannot write your name, then
Okay.
I will lend
Okay, बच्चे. Now
you
wait.
the
Wait, beta. Now wait. Okay. Very